Top 10 Most Expensive Cruise Ships. There are cruises for all tastes. Some more family-oriented type and others designed for singles looking for their better half. There's romantic to enjoy with your partner and low cost to not spend too much. Even there's thematic to immerse in a completely different world. And of course, luxurious. We will talk about the most distinguished, elegant, and sophisticated of those. They are the ones we are interested in right now. This is the list of the 10 most expensive cruises. Stay until the end and you will be surprised. Number 10. Costa Diadema. Costa Diadema has a deck dedicated to children. It has a castle and pirate galleon and the turrets on deck 5 where you can have an aperitif at sunset. The cabins on board are elegant and spacious and can accommodate up to 5 people. You can play sports, games, and there's a 3-level theater with international shows. There is also the Aperol Spritz bar for cocktails before the disco, a games room, and a German brewery. 3 independent tours are available: Easy, Bite Tour, and the thematic tasting itineraries Discovering Flavors. On board there are 7 restaurants and 11 bars, 3 swimming pools, a sports field, and a jogging track, a 4-level wellness center, a 3-level theater, and several areas dedicated to entertainment. Number 9. Costa Fascinosa. With its 114,500 tons, it's one of the largest ships in the Italian merchant navy. Born to pay homage to the theater and the cinema, the names of its decks correspond to famous characters such as Zhivago, Ada, Tosca. The center of the Costa Fascinosa is its enormous atrium. It opens from the central staircase to 9 decks from the 3rd to the 13th. There are large mirrors that amplify the visual effect. They can be seen from the panoramic elevators. There is a lot of space dedicated to children, like the Aqua Park and its pirate-style decoration, and a large fairy tale castle. It's fascinating and perfect for movie lovers, especially because of the reference to famous movies and other protagonists. Other main attractions are the Millionaire Casino and the 4D cinema. Number 8. Oasis of the Seas. Oasis of the Seas is a Royal Caribbean cruise ship, launched in 2009. One of the main features of this central park, a luxurious park on the sea with a careful tropical flora. 12,000 specimens of plants and trees. Besides, there is a real amusement park, 2 flow rider surfing simulators, 2 climbing walls, and the Aqua Theater. It's the first water amphitheater in the sea. Oasis of the Seas is not for those who are looking for relaxation. The boat is designed for the intrepid traveler who has an adventurous instinct. On board, you can go zip line, ice skate, and surf in an artificial wave pool. Also to attend surprise dinners hosted by award-winning chef Michael Schwartz. Even meet characters from the DreamWorks universe, and of course, staying in wonderful suites with views of the immense sea that surrounds you. Number 7. MSC Preziosa. This ship is a modern Mediterranean work of art and includes an Italian stone square and spectacular details, such as the magnificent Swarovski crystal stairs and the magical overflowing pool. It has an area for beauty treatments and a spa to cut stress, and the exclusive luxury of MSC Yacht Club. It's a boat within a boat with exclusive suites, a butler service, facilities, and private bridges. It features a casino and Broadway-style theater, from the games of the children's water park to the longest water slide on the sea. The ship has everything you need to entertain everybody. The ship is equipped with 1,751 cabins, 26 elevators, and 18 decks. Number 6. Harmony of the Seas. The Harmony of the Seas sets a new standard for family vacations, from features never before seen in the high seas to favorites such as the highest water slide, Ultimate Abyss SM, deck-defying stunts in the Aqua Theater, and the robot in the Bionic Bar, not to mention dazzling Broadway performances and international dining experiences. Harmony is one of the largest cruise ships in the world. It's bigger than the Eiffel Tower. It has 7 neighborhoods on board and 3 multi-level slides with breathtaking curves and turns, plus the Ultimate Abyss. 45 meters above sea level, there are more than 25 alternatives between restaurants and bars. Like Wonderland and other Quantum-class installations, 150 tons of water distributed in 23 pools, and finally, the largest spa on board a cruise ship. Number 5. The World. The World is the largest residential cruise ship in the world. It has 12 decks and could accommodate up to 1,200 passengers. A real floating neighborhood with 165 apartments of 120 square meters of about 2 million euros. In addition, inside the ship there are a great hall, 4 restaurants, 3 bars, a cigar lounge, a boutique with a showroom, a food store, a finesse center, a billiards room, a golf simulator with putting green, a tennis court, a jogging track, a spa, a swimming pool, a theater, and a library. It is a community of millionaires who need discretion. The owner prohibits even the media from entering. Its 165 luxury cabins are up to 300 square meters in size and mainly accommodate North Americans and Europeans. The construction budget was 380 million euros at the Norwegian shipyard Fossum Mackenzie Verksted. Number 4. Symphony of the Seas. Symphony of the Seas will be the 4th boat in the Oasis category and number 26 in the fleet of the Royal Caribbean Shipping Company. It will have its base port in Barcelona during the first season. It will then move to port of Miami's new Terminal A, from where it will make 7-night cruises through the Eastern and Western Caribbean. It stands out for its impressive high-tech facilities such as the Bionic Bar. With 18 decks, capacity for 6,780 passengers, and 2,100 crew members, the Symphony of the Sea is today probably the largest cruise ship in the world. There are many activities to choose from: the zip line, mini golf, the Flow Rider surfing simulator, the rock climbing walls, and many more unique features. The main one is the Ultimate Abyss, the stern slide. It is the biggest ever built on board a cruise ship, one of a kind. Number 3. NCL Epic. The Norwegian Epic is the largest ship of the NCL shipping line, with over 155,873 gross tons. It represents the 3rd generation of freestyle cruisers, and its size allows NCL to have a ship that is in the mega class of its competitors, Royal Caribbean International and Carnival Cruise Lines. Still, it remains 32% smaller in gross tonnage than Royal Caribbean's Oasis of the Seas and Allure of the Seas, the largest and longest passenger ships in the world. The Epic has 4,100 passenger beds with balconies in all exterior cabins. The cabins have curved walls, glass door toilet and shower, and a small sink in the cabin. She introduced 100 square foot individual interior cabins as well as a shared living room to meet other passengers. The water park has the only tube and bowl slide on board a ship. The ship also has a climbing wall and 2 3-lane bowling alleys. It also has an ice bar at -8 degrees Celsius and a squash court. One of its super luxurious attractions is the first floating ice bar. Number 2. Crystal Symphony. The Crystal Symphony is one of the most awarded cruises in history. That is why it is in 2nd place on our ranking. With almost 25 years of navigation, since 1995, it can accommodate 848 people. After a deep restyling, it has shone, again, more than before. A wide culinary choice with the opening of new restaurants, such as Churrascaria, a Brazilian steakhouse, and Waterslide, a restaurant that offers fish and vegetarian options. Prego, the Italian restaurant, and the Vintage dining room were not to be missed. In addition, the cabins are very spacious and very luxurious, and there is a penthouse suite equipped with butler service, Wi-Fi everywhere, entertainment, and a la carte news. And the song "What a Wonderful World" by Louis Armstrong plays in the cabins every time the ship sails. Number 1. 7 Seas Explorer. Regent 7 Seas Cruises offers an unparalleled offshore suite experience. All suites have spacious walk-in closets, luxurious finishes, comfortable elite slumber beds, and private balconies. They range in size from 307 to 4,443 square feet. At sea since 2016, the 7 Seas Explorer has 375 suites. The most luxurious, the Regent Suite, the largest with 360 square meters, but also the most expensive in the world, $5,300 per person per night. Also unique is the theater, in vintage Hollywood style with engraved swans on the seats, a complex mosaic, and Murano glass lamps. It doesn't end there. A private car with driver and limousine service, Versace cutlery, Murano glass, golf courses, and jogging track. Are you as impressed as we are? Then wait till we give you an amazing fact. The most expensive and luxury cruise is still under construction. They will finish in 2023 and it will be a twin of the 7 Seas Explorer, which we have just discussed, and the 7 Seas Splendor. It is expected to weigh 54,000 gross tons and have a capacity for 750 passengers. Without anyone knowing many details, it has already been nominated as the most luxurious cruise ship in the world. Do you think they're rushing to define it that way? Tell us what you think of the comments. We hope you enjoyed the video. Make sure to leave us a like down below and hit the bell icon to get notified when we post new videos.